The F-35A Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth multirole fighter aircraft designed by Lockheed Martin as part of the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program. It is the conventional takeoff and landing CTOL version of the F-35 family, optimized for air forces like Japan's. Japan is the largest foreign customer of the F-35, seeing it as the backbone of its future air defense. Development of the F-35A began in the 1990s, with its first flight in 2006, and it officially entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 2016. Japan chose the F-35A in 2011 to replace its aging F-4EJ Phantom to fleet. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force JASDF received its first aircraft in 2016, and deliveries have been steadily continuing. So far, over 40 have been delivered, with Japan planning to operate more than 100 F-35As in total. The F-35A's most important feature is its stealth capability. Its shape, coatings, and internal weapons bays make it nearly invisible to radar compared to older fourth-generation fighters like the F-15J or F-2. It also uses advanced sensors and avionics with the APG-81 AESA radar, distributed aperture system DAS, and electro-optical targeting system EOTS. These systems allow the pilot to detect, track, and engage enemies long before being seen. Its helmet-mounted display projects all flight, targeting, and sensor data directly onto the pilot's visor, replacing traditional cockpit displays. In terms of performance, the F-35A can reach speeds of Mach 1.6, has a combat radius of about 1,100 kilometers, and can fly up to 50,000 feet. Its armament includes a 25mm GAU-2, an internal cannon and for internal weapons bays, along with 6 external hardpoints if stealth is not required. It can carry AIM-1 to OM-ROM, AIM-9X Sidewinder, JDAM bombs, and Japan is working to integrate indigenous missiles such as the AAM-4B. The F-35A is a true multirole jet. It can conduct air superiority missions, precision strikes, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare. Its ability to share data in real time through advanced data links also makes it a force multiplier for allied forces. Japan is not only buying F-35As but also producing some locally through Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. In addition, Japan is upgrading its Izuma-class carriers to operate the F-35B STOVL version, giving the country carrier-based stealth capability for the first time since World War II. The F-35 program is extremely costly, but for Japan, the investment is seen as essential to counter regional threats and maintain air superiority into the mid-21st century. By 2030, the F-35A, together with the upcoming Mitsubishi FX 6th-generation fighter, will form the core of Japan's air power.